Want this hard shake? Let's find how to make it.
Ladies and gentlemen,
First, add your clip to timeline. Then make a new adjustment layer same as me. Cut off the extra part and remove it. Like this. After, you can add S_shake effect to adjustment layer. Then go to beginning of the clip, click this stopwatch and change the amplitude value 3. Go to 10 frame in timeline, change the value 0 like this. After, go to the frequency, click here, change the value 28 and go 10 frame, change the value 0. Okay, now we can add BCC direction blur to adjustment layer. Go to blur amount, click here stopwatch and change value 88 and go 10 frame and change value 0. Now we can add expose effect. Click stopwatch and change the value 2. Go to 10 frame, change value 0. After, click adjustment layer and press U. You can see our keyframe. Select keyframe and press F9 to convert ECs. Do same as me. Then select direction blur keyframe and open graph tool. Then copy my graph. So that's it. Now you can see our shake. Thanks for watching. See you guys in next video.